Hey guys, my name is Srinivas. Once again, welcome back to our channel SS Tech Beats. So guys, today I'm explaining one of the best budget price and cheapest drone in this video. So guys, do you know what is the specialties of this drone? This drone comes as dual camera and dual batteries worth of just 1500 rupees. Yes guys, you listen correct. I purchased on this drone only just 1500 rupees at Amazon, but you can't buy this product in 1500 rupees at present time because of the big billion day offers are closed. Yes guys, I purchased on this drone at big billion day offers, but I will try to update in this matter in all my channels. There is no way guys because of I'm very busy at the stock marketing. So finally I decided, so I update all my channels latest updates in very short time using only one platform, that is a WhatsApp channel guys. So I will paste the WhatsApp channel link below the description, so please keep join the WhatsApp channel. You got the latest updates with all my channels, and please keep watching the full video guys because of I explain in this video ever cheapest drones, and especially this drone very useful for beginners. So let's keep start our unboxing video. So guys, first of all our drone packing is coming same like zip briefcase, and move the zip and let's open this small briefcase. Oh, look at this product guys, it's looking very attractive. So now let's start to explaining the all accessories in this box. So first of all, this is our budget price drone guys. It's looking very unique and attractive, and this is a foldable arms. So this is a secondary camera and this one is main camera, and the top of the bottom the power button is here. And then next, this is also 2.4G remote control guys. The remote control design is very nice and looking attractive, and this drone coming as two dual batteries. So this one is a main battery and the second one battery coming as inside the drone. So pull out the outside. Yeah, look at this guys, this is two dual batteries are coming at this package, and this one also 4 set of propeller guards and 4 set of propeller blades, and 1 set of OTG cable and 1 set of screwdriver. So you can install very easily at this drone propeller guards or blades. And this is a manual papers case. You can choose the Android app to scan the barcodes. So aside from all accessories, let you explain some details about this drone. First of all, this drone build quality is okay guys, not bad, and also this drone it's coming as two dual cameras and two dual batteries at the price only 1500 to 2000 rupees on Amazon. So I think this price is very cheapest and very useful for beginners for this price at this product. But you can't expect the HD camera video quality about this drone because of this drone cameras coming as 0.5 to 1 megapixel cameras, but in the Amazon website showing about this camera quality 1080p HD to 4K HD quality. That is a fake news guys. In the real time the drone cameras performing okay, but the quality is very poor, same like 240 video resolution. So I think this drone very perfect for only beginners, but not using to making a HD quality videos or short films. And the remote build quality is also good, and the design is very nice. And also you can free to fly this drone because of this drone remote contains many more features, but the all features are very separately, so you don't have any confusion to seeing the remote button or a programming system. Okay guys, now let's show about you fully specified features about this drone on Amazon website. So let's go to the Amazon website. Yeah, look at this page guys, I ordered this drone just only 1849 rupees, and also you can use any bank account, credit or debit card, then after you have a extra discount of this product. So you can see the price of the drone guys about making at this video. It's showing 2100 rupees only at present time, but this drone price changing is anytime. And look at this drone coming as Velcro branded and a special feature integrated camera 360-degree flips and foldable. As guys, it is available at this product. And video capture 1080p. Yes, look at this guys, the capture resolution is totally wrong because of this drone camera recorded only 240p resolution, but it's showing 1080p. And connectivity technology is Wi-Fi USB. Yes guys, the Wi-Fi USB options are available at this drone, and to using these options to connect the mobile Android app. And you have some more details at the below. Okay, listen it, let I will explain. These all features coming as a optical float dual camera drone with dual lights and powerful motors, and also foldable design, Wi-Fi app, controlling dual HD camera. HD camera is not working, guys, and headless mode is okay. Attitude hold, hover 360 flips. Yeah, guys, these 360 flips are awesome. And one key to take off landing for safe landing. Yeah, this is also working. And gesture, selfies, etc. And flying height about 50 to 60 meters. Yes, guys, this is also working, but the 50 meters flying height is not perfect for flying, because the remote control signals are braked, so you can fly only just 30 to 40 meters below. And the website showing as main camera 1080p HD and secondary camera 720p HD. I think the main camera is 1 megapixel and the secondary camera is 0.5 megapixel. And full flying time up to 20 to 25 minutes to using dual batteries. This is okay, guys. My drone flying has almost 20 minutes to using dual batteries, and the battery timing is up to 90 minutes. And it has a gyroscopic sensor for better stability, and some gestures options. So this is all the features about this drone, guys. I think this is very best and budget price drone, because of it's coming only just 1500 to 2000 rupees. And also this drone especially designed for beginners, so any beginner you can easily free to fly and learn drone controlling to using this drone. And even if you can do any some crash landed, you don't have any issue, because of this drone only just for 1500 rupees. Very worth of price of this product. And also this is a right product for gifting your children or any other relatives. And final conclusion about this drone design and the price is very comfortable for buying this product, guys. And also this drone very comfortable for beginners to learn drone controlling. And one more thing, guys, if you are gifting for this product with your family members or any kids, your kids are very exciting for this drone gifting. And this is all for today on this video, guys. And if you need any latest updates, don't forget to join my WhatsApp channel, link in below. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel for latest updates.